How to download Facebook Lite. Hey everyone! If you're looking for a faster, lighter version of Facebook that works great on slow connections or older phones, let me show you exactly how to download Facebook Lite. For Android users, simply open your Google Play Store and search for Facebook Lite. You'll recognize it by the official Meta blue icon with the white F. Just tap Install, and this tiny 2 MB app will be ready in seconds. Unfortunately for iPhone users, Facebook Lite isn't available in the App Store, but you can still get a similar experience by using Facebook through your mobile browser at m.facebook.com. If you can't find it in your country's Play Store, you might need to try a VPN or sideload the APK file. Just be careful to only download from trusted sources. Once installed, you'll be amazed at how much smoother Facebook runs, especially if you're dealing with spotty internet connections. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to install Facebook Lite. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.